how to turn on or off HDMI control on Skyworth TV. And okay guys, on your remote, press the gear icon or settings. Here on the pop-up, okay, select the gear icon again. And now here in general settings, you can see the channel and input. Okay, go to this. In channel and input, okay, you can see in inputs the consumer electronic control. And you can see here the HDMI control. And on the right side of this, you can see the switch button. The HDMI control is turned on. To turn off, okay, you can turn off the switch button on the right side of this HDMI control. And you can turn on again by switching on the switch button on the right side. And if this turn on, allow the TV to control HDMI devices. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully turned on or off the HDMI control on your Skyworth TV.